Hey, Emma. It's Alex here. How's your day going so far?
Oh, hi, Alex. My day's been pretty relaxed. I just finished my coffee and was scrolling through some videos. What about you? You sound upbeat.
Yeah, I'm good. I went for a quick run this morning, trying to stay healthy. Nothing too crazy. Hey, it's been a while since we chatted like this. Remind me, where are you from again? I think you're from the Midwest, right?
Yep, born and raised in Chicago. Windy city vibes all the way. And you? You're a West Coast guy, aren't you? California?
Spot on. Los Angeles, actually. The traffic here is insane, but the beaches make up for it. Anyway, what have you been up to lately? Any fun stories?
Not much, just work and hanging out with friends. Oh, wait. I was thinking about something interesting today. You know how I've been trying to help my cousin learn English? She's from Spain, and she wants to sound more like a native speaker. I was just pondering some simple techniques for that. Have you ever thought about how we natives talk without even realizing it?
Oh, totally. That's a cool topic. I remember when I tried learning Spanish in high school, I sounded so robotic at first. Like, hello, my name is Alex. I am from the United States. No one talks like that in real life. So yeah, speaking like a native is all about those little tricks. What's one technique you shared with your cousin?
Hmm. Well, first off, I told her to use contractions all the time. Instead of saying, I am going to the store, say, I'm going to the store. It just flows better, right? Natives use them without thinking. It makes everything sound more casual and natural.
Exactly. Contractions are huge. I mean, listen to us right now. We're saying I'm and you're everywhere. If you skip them, you end up sounding like a textbook. Remember that time I was on a video call with my international client? He kept saying I will instead of I'll, and it felt a bit stiff. But once he started using contractions, boom, conversation got way smoother.
Yeah, I can imagine. Another simple one is filler words, like, or like. We use them a ton to fill pauses. My cousin was like, why do Americans say like so much? And I explained it's not about being unsure, it's just how we think out loud. It gives your brain a second to catch up.
Oh man, I'm guilty of that. Like, it's just, the way we talk. But seriously, it helps avoid those awkward silences. I tell people learning English to watch TV shows like Friends or The Office. Those characters use fillers naturally. Have you tried that with your cousin?
Absolutely. We watched an episode of Friends together. She noticed how Rachel says things like, oh my God, And it clicked for her. It's not perfect English, but it's real. Personal story, when I was in college, I had a roommate from Japan. She practiced by repeating lines from movies. One day she said, I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse, from The Godfather. We all cracked up. It was spot on.
That's hilarious. Imitation is key. Another technique, slang and idioms. Don't overdo it, but sprinkle in stuff like hang out instead of spend time together, or piece of cake for something easy. Natives love idioms because they're fun and expressive.
True, but I warn beginners start small. Like, say, what's up instead of how are you? It's so American. My cousin tried, what's up on me, and I was like, not much, just chillin'. She got excited because it felt authentic. Oh, and don't forget about pronunciation. Shorten words. Going to becomes gonna. Want to is wanna.
Yes, gonna and wanna are lifesavers for sounding native. I mean, no one says, I am going to eat lunch. It's, I'm gonna grab some lunch. Thinking for a second, I had a funny moment teaching my nephew English. He's bilingual. He said, I want to play, all formal. I corrected him to, I wanna play, and now he says it all the time. Kids pick it up fast.
Aw, that's cute. Kids are the best learners. Another tip, listen to podcasts or YouTube. Not the scripted ones, but casual chats like this. Pay attention to rhythm. Natives stress certain words. Like in how are you, the R gets emphasis. It makes speech musical.
Spot on. Rhythm is everything. English isn't flat. It goes up and down. Demonstrate. I'm so excited to see you. See? The so stretches out. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. I did that when I was learning accents for fun. Helped a lot.
Recording is genius. My cousin records herself daily now. At first, she hated her voice, but now she's improving. And humor helps too. Laugh at mistakes. I told her, English is weird. Why do we drive on a parkway and park on a driveway? She burst out laughing, and it relaxed her.
Classic English quirks. Those make great icebreakers. Okay, let's talk about questions. Natives ask tag questions like, "It's hot today, isn't it?" It invites agreement and keeps the convo going.
Love that. Or right at the end of sentences. This coffee's good, right? It makes you feel included. Personal anecdote. When I traveled to New York last year, everyone used constantly. It bonded us instantly. Try it in real chats.
For sure. And body language. But since we're talking speech, focus on intonation. Rising tone for questions, falling for statements. Simple but transformative.
Yep. Now practice with natives if possible. Apps like Hello Talk or language exchanges. My cousin met an American online. They chat weekly. She's using LOL and emojis too, which adds flavor.
Emojis? That's modern native speak. Texting helps build habits. But don't forget reading aloud. Books, articles. Read like you're talking to a friend.
Good point. I read news articles out loud sometimes. Helps with flow. Oh, and vary sentence length. Short ones for impact. Wow. Long ones for stories. So, the other day, I was walking down the street and bumped into an old friend.
Exactly, like real talk. We mix it up. Man, sharing these makes me appreciate how effortless it is for us, but tough for learners.
Totally. One more. Immerse yourself. Surround with English music, like Taylor Swift or hip hop. Sing along, it trains your mouth muscles.
Mouth muscles. That's a new one. But yeah, singing helps pronunciation. I belt out songs in the car. Neighbors probably think I'm nuts.
Who cares? It's fun. Okay, wrapping up, my cousin's favorite technique is shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately after, mimicking tone and speed.
Shadowing's powerful. I used it for public speaking. Builds confidence fast.
So true. Smiling thoughtfully. You know, Alex, talking about this reminds me how language is about connection, not perfection. These techniques, contractions, fillers, slang, rhythm, they're tools to feel at home in English.
Absolutely. If you're listening, start small. Pick one technique today, like using gonna, and build from there. You'll sound native in no time. Thanks for the chat, Emma. This was fun.
Yeah, me too. Let's do it again soon. Bye for now.
Take care.